Welcome to the second part of the Experts in Automotive session. We had some great speakers in the first part and we have more great speakers in the second part. Here to share his insights into the future of audio in the car is Nick Piggott.
Hello, I'm Nick Piggott. I'm the Project Director of RadioDNS, the membership organisation that sets the standards for hybrid radio. We believe that open standards accelerate with growth and reduce the cost of establishing hybrid radio whilst allowing innovation and competition between suppliers. And we think that radio should be the starting point for every audio journey in the connected car. Listeners will love the ease of jumping in the car and immediately hearing live radio, but also being guided by their trusted radio stations into exploring recommended on-demand audio without having to change technologies. Radio will be easier to navigate and as visually informative as the best online services. And radio stations will find that broadcast will give them a unique competitive advantage over IP-only challengers. A truly hybrid radio experience will be seamless to the listener, powerful and valuable to broadcasters, and greater than the sum of its parts. We're taking our first steps in hybrid now. The first production hybrid radio vehicles are on the roads of Europe and North America, and many broadcasters have committed to supporting open standards for hybrid radio. We're looking forward to a hybrid future for radio. Thank you.
Joe D'Angelo has a unique position in the USA, and here are his thoughts on the future of audio in the car.
Hello, everyone. I'm Joe D'Angelo, Senior Vice President of Radio at Xperi and a proud member of WorldDAB. Over the last 20 years, we've seen dramatic changes in both broadcast technology and internet connectivity in cars, which has dramatically expanded the entertainment options available to drivers. And while radio is a unique medium in its local nature, the decentralization presents a real challenge for automakers looking to deploy a consistent global radio experience. Xperi has tackled this challenge with our global radio system, DTS Connector Radio, which is supported by leading broadcasters and partners such as the BBC, Global, Bauer, CRA, Pluxbox, Radioline, and Radio Player. This system provides consistent hybrid radio services in over 48 countries across 50,000 radio stations. Vehicles supporting this system will arrive in Europe this winter, followed by the USA, and in Asia in early 2021. We have also recently unveiled our collaboration with the NAB, Google, and leading broadcasters across 4 continents to ensure world-class support for broadcast radio and Android automotive. At Xperi, we're committed to the future of in-car radio listening, and we welcome you to join us in this radio revolution.
Xavier Filliol is here to give his view of the future and some thoughts on what broadcasters should be doing themselves to protect themselves in this future.
Hello everyone, I'm Xavier Filliol, CEO of Radioline. The automotive industry is facing a double challenge: the impact of the crisis on sales and customer expectations for digital services. Mobile has become the main device of use, even for listening to the radio online, with its application model for content and services. We observe the same phenomenon of appification on all connected devices. Skills for smart speaker, widgets for laptop, apps for connected TV, etc. The most important for us is to help OEMs to personalize their apps, because we will move from mobile to car as a mobile. We are working in this direction at a global scale, offering hybrid radio and full IP applications on major environments with worldwide and local contents. The future of audio in car begins now, and decisions need to be made today to keep the experience unique, cool, and affordable. Thank you.
Finally, we hear from Caspar Adriani at Pluxbox, who is looking at the future in terms of how broadcasters can combat the threat of other platforms.
Hello, everyone. I'm Caspar Adriani, CTO of Pluxbox. I think it's very difficult to predict what the future of radio and cars will look like. The future depends on the environment we'll develop and which disruptive innovations, such as connected and self-driving cars, will affect on what level. The future also highly depends on forces of development, such as Android Automotive or Google CarPlay. If you look at the online audio competitors for radio, such as Pandora, Spotify, or Deezer, then they have a better grip and knowledge of their end user. This helps them to offer more relevant content and the use of better business model that let them grow. We think that the future of radio and cars also need this feedback loop to build, measure, and learn from. This will help radio stations in their continuous transformation to something that always stays close to their crown jewels, because whoever learns the fastest wins. The mission of Metadata Radio is to help stations to grow, staying on top of mind and relevant to their listeners. We do this by offering relevant content in the right form and channel that suits the moment of consumption. This means DAB+, which has great possibilities with metadata, can and should exist next to hybrid and IP solutions to turn threats into opportunities by helping them with new content and business models. Is your station ready to expand? Register for free at Metadata Radio.
Okay, thank you to all of our experts for their insights, and enjoy the rest of the 2020 World DAB General Assembly. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.